update, guys. Just let you know we're getting on quite well. So as you can see, Big Af is still Big Af. So as you can see, guys, we've just pretty much exposed most of the sort of fabric of the property. We tore down all the false ceiling, got rid of a wall that was here. Unfortunately, it was supposed to be Big Af's room, but I'll have to rebuild that, so stay tuned to see how that turns out. But as you can see, there's quite a few steel beams that have been put in to support the structure when the extension was done. I'm pretty sure some of the steel work is old. This beam that goes across here, across there and across there, it then marries back here. That's actually the original balcony. The balcony was extended through there. We're going to try and reuse as much of the timbers as possible. Obviously any material that we can salvage we will. So yeah, the plan is obviously structural engineers coming out, and we are going to have a discussion around the best way to obviously get all the old steels out and put fresh steel work in. But yeah, as you can see, we've made some quite good progress so far. So stay tuned. What's happening over here? We actually got a really early start on this video. Today was just all about demolition, so you probably saw some time-lapse videos of us just taking this structure down. The old, all the 4x2s, the suspended ceiling. Got rid of all that, got rid of the plasterboard. I had the electrics off, but because we were working obviously in this area, just turned them back on to make sure we've not messed about with any wiring, and it's, we've still got lighting in here for the time being. So we got this wall out, all this came out, ceiling came out. This is actually the original ceiling. There was a suspended ceiling that was at that height, so we've taken it all down. Next time what we'll do is we'll get that wall out, so that's the sort of hallway bathroom area. We'll get this wall out, and then we'll finish off just cleaning up the rest of the structure. Hopefully we'll, you know, not too long and we'll have this all cleared out. So obviously the skip was supposed to come today, but as always they phone you last minute and tell you can't be delivered, so you run into these issues all the time. So skip's coming in a couple of days, so there's not much room now to work in. So next thing is to clear this out, and then we'll start working on the floor, ripping up all the tiles and stuff, get all this out, and then we'll move into the next one. So If you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, stay tuned for a lot more content. This build's already looking epic. We've got steelwork going everywhere. We're taking old steelwork out. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff, so make sure you guys stay tuned.
People are asking about your pink belt. What's going on there? Is that your favourite colour?
Actually, there's a story behind this. I can tell you now, but you just have to
leave it for the next one.
And I'll tell you where this beautiful belt came from.